Hi Krista, I'm Chloe. Okay, allow me to show you what's in your Thermomix box, right? Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So this is your mixing bowl for cooking, and this one we call it MC cup. Don't worry, because later on we will dive in when we cook the rest of the dishes. Okay, and this is a simmering basket.
Okay.
Spatula. Do you know what is this?
No, I'm not sure.
This is a butterfly whisk for whipping. Okay. This is a splash guard for high temperature cooking. So this is how we do it.
Example of high temperature cooking is?
Saute mushroom, caramelized onion. Okay. Last but not least, the Varoma set dish and tray. So this is for steaming. You can steam the whole chicken here. Okay, but first you need to remove the MC cup and place it on top. Like this.
I see. So what's that for?
This one you can have multi-layer cooking. Example, if this layer you want to steam some sweet potato, then the top layer maybe you can steam salmon, asparagus, or egg. Yes. Okay. So are you ready for the first dish?
Yeah, sure.
Are you excited?
Very, very excited.
Okay, let's go.